what is up? Today's video is going to be a fall makeup eye. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, guys. It would make me so happy. Let's get on with this makeup look. Okay, first things first is we're gonna prime the eye. You know the drill. I use concealer to prime my eye. I forgot to mention, let's ignore this monster on my chin. We love a good monster. You know, it's spooky season, so the monsters are coming out. We're gonna start with a base. Let's start out with something, you know, light, you know, nothing too crazy. So I'm gonna go in with my Sweet Peach palette. I'm gonna take Puree. So this medium kind of toffee brown color, is that a good way to describe it? Probably not. I'm gonna go in with my big blending brush and we're just gonna put that all over the crease. We're going to go in with the peach palette again and we're gonna take Summer Young, which is this kind of coppery, kind of brick red-ish color. We are going to take this actually with a little flat shader brush. No, that's the wrong terminology. I don't know, a flat blending brush? Sure, that sounds good enough. And we're just gonna take this and focus it on the outer corner and then blend it all together. Yeah, I've been feeling so. I'm gonna grab that color and also take it into the lower lash line. And then we're gonna go back into Puree, which is that medium brown color, with our blending brush, and we're just gonna blend everything all together. Down, yeah. Can you tell me why? We're gonna go in with a burgundy color to actually like go with the theme here. I'm gonna be going into my Too Faced Pretty Rich palette and I'm gonna be grabbing, oh, that's rich. Sure, I think that's what that is. And it's just a burgundy color, so just grab any burgundy color you have. And again, we are actually gonna really focus this on our outer V and we're gonna blend it all out. We're gonna be taking a flat blending brush. I'm down, yeah. No friends of mine. Then we're gonna go back in with that medium brown kind of orange color and we're just going to blend it all together. Now put a color in the inner crease and out to the middle of the eyelid, and I'm actually going to be taking Luscious from the Peach palette, any kind of shiny champagne color, on a flat shader brush, and we're gonna pack that boy on. No friends of mine around, yeah. We are gonna go back in with Luscious with our flat shader brush and we're gonna take that into the inner corner. We're gonna grab Puree and we're gonna put that in the middle of the lower lash line. Take Summer Young, that brick color, and we're gonna put that into the 3/4 of the eye, I guess. Then we're gonna take that burgundy, oh that's rich color, we're gonna put that on the 4/4. Sure. It's time for a highlight. I'm going to be taking the Modern Renaissance palette in the color Vermeer, which is this really beautiful pinky, sheeny kind of color. And I'm just actually going to put this just above the eyebrow. To finish this eye look off, we're going to put some mascara. I'm going to be using, you know, my usual combo, still haven't run out, the Essence, the Falsies Lashes, and the Lash Sensational. Keep on running from the truth. I'm just a lonely fucking you. Now when I drive around, don't feel it. Let's throw on a lippy. I'm gonna be taking the NYX lip liner in color Cherry Skies. We're just gonna outline our lips and also fill them in with this. Why it's getting colder. Throw on a little bit of lip gloss. I'm just using one from La Senza, a sparkly lip gloss. So this is the finished look. You know what time it is? It is time to do a montage. Might just waste away, don't know what life about. Another day go by, don't know what got me down. That is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this fall inspired makeup look. Super easy. It's not too dark, it's not too intense, so you can definitely use on your everyday life. The lip's a little bold, so if you wanted to pair it with something maybe like more of like a nude color or something like that, feel free. I just really wanted that pop of like a cranberry color just to really set in the fall look. So, yes, I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a big old thumbs up. And if you didn't, give it a big old thumbs up anyways. And don't forget to subscribe, guys. Have an amazing morning, day, evening, afternoon, whatever time it is for you. And we'll see you guys in the next video. Stay happy, stay positive, love yourself, give yourself a big old hug. Okay, I'm gonna go now. Bye.